Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we're going to look at how I actually turned 30 USDT into 137 USDT in just 3 days. Okay, so before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, and upon this I'm not still ready to sell. I'm still going to wait a little to see other opportunity ahead of me in this very crypto market. So by the end of this very video, you will be able to understand how you can double your cryptocurrency coin without a big risk. So without waste of time, let's quickly dive into this to see what exactly is going on in this crypto industry market. So let's just go. As I always said, and I've mentioned a lot in numerous time in my previous video. Okay, I've also been I've told you in several occasions to monitor this search bar button. Okay, in this search bar you see a lot of adverts going on there on Bybit. In other exchange too, there are also adverts going on in this same way. So some of those adverts you see here are the best coin you can trade in any particular exchange that is doing the same advert at that particular time or at that particular hours. Okay, so the moment you see anything displaying here, that is actually what you need to start going to look for. You know why? Because Bybit is advertising it, and a lot of people will be investing on it. Therefore, it will be generating a lot of traffic. Okay, so if you are using this particular strategy, you will be able to make a lot of things for yourself. Okay, and again, one of the strategy I use actually is by coming to these sessions. You can see this session. If you look at this session carefully, any coin I see here is what I buy. Okay, you can see this current pep coin is already having 8%. You can see Zoe. The Zoe is running currently a price pool as a token flash, a token splash, sorry. Okay, so you can see Pepe too. Pepe say easy earn, that is you invest, you're going to earn by the end of this program, and what you're going to earn there is 0. What 0.8% of your total capital. I look at this very place. This is the coin I buy. Okay, and again I come down to this place to look at what exactly is running here on puzzle hunt. You can see this puzzle hunt. I look at this place too in order for me to be able to what to invest on my particular currency that will be able to make me a reasonable profit in just a few time. Okay, so coming to look at this place now, you can see cut here, you can see the K slash USDT. All right, you can see the pound slash USDT. All those ones are catching what? They are catching fire. So come down to this place to look at these hot sessions. Looking at our hot sessions now, I'm going to click on more to see. You can see what are those things on hot currently. You can see them, those things that are currently catching fire here. You can see BTC, you can see Pepecoin, you can see SOL, you can see ETH, you can see XRP, and a lot of them. And what I always tell you is that do not trade if you do not buy any particular coin if you did not see this sign of fire on it. Okay, this sign of fire is showing that this particular coin will go very high in its own time without waste of time, and you're going to make a profit. All you just need to do is to join the market at the right time. All right, so this is what I did now. I did, I bought this pep coin, and even till now I'm not interested in selling it for now at this particular rate. Okay, I'm not interested in selling it for now at this particular rate. So now this is what I do. Okay, each time I choose a particular coin to buy, I'll watch those coin actually, seeing when it has taken sell and oversold. Okay, if it come to this particular sessions and I see, if you come to this particular sessions and I see something of this nature, or this little, and then I will now choose to invest in that particular coin because I have seen a faith in it. Okay, investing in this particular coin now will now make me a rational profit in just a few times. So what is the current price of this very play? It was 0.00009565. You see it. Okay, so now Look at it carefully. You can see this coin has been very flexible. This is what I just kept doing. Each time I see it down, I buy. Each time I see it up, I sell. This is what I do. If I see a lot of sold, 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 oversold, I'll purchase. Okay. I see a lot of buy, sold, buy, 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 I sell. Okay. This is overbought. I sold my coin and I wait patiently for another opportunity, then I dive into it again. There's no any magic I'm doing here. Okay, and one of the things I do about this very particular coin, aside from seeing it sold, sold, sold to oversold, I navigate myself straight to this data. I always mention this data to you people. I do believe that a lot of people have started making some rational profit using that data sessions. Okay, so this is what I do with the data sessions. I'll just click on the data sessions and come to this place to see how exactly this cycle is doing. Okay, how exactly this cycle is doing. Is this cycle doing very, very well? Okay, if this cycle is doing very, very well, what should I check in the next? Okay, I can see the bearish over 50%. The moment you see this place very reasonable, that's a particular time for you to buy. And the moment you see it when it's oversold, oversold, red, 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 oversold, that is the time for you to buy. So coming to this place now, the inflow now is very encouraging. Okay, the inflow is very encouraging. That is, the number of people who are currently diving into this particular market of peppercoin are very reasonable. Okay, they are very, very well, they are very reasonable. This is over 3 billion. You can see over 3 billion. And looking at the number of people that are actually selling this coin, this particular coin out, okay, this particular coin out are just over 1.5 billion. So you can see that the number of the inflow outrage the number of the outflow by 2. So this is a particular time, this is a good time for you to invest in this very particular coins. Okay, so these are some of those major things I check carefully before diving into my into particular coin to buy. Okay, you can see the trading data, also look at all those one, and also look at the trading trend. Okay, this one is the fund flow, the trading data, you look at it as well. It's 5 minutes, 15 minutes. All those ones are very reasonable. It has been up and it has been doing well. So it's good for you to invest on it. Okay. So aside from all this, again, always check. Each time you see oversold, you buy. Overbought, you sell. Okay. So if you do have any question, and I do believe that by now you have found some value from this very content, do not forget, all you just need to do is to drop me a like, share my video, and also watch this very video carefully so that you can understand what exactly we're talking about here, and you can understand how you can double your cryptocurrency coin without much risk. And you must take care of your emotions. One of the most important thing you must know, you must take care of your emotions. Okay, each time you buy coin, do not get afraid if it's still going down, as long as you bought a trending coin. And do not forget, a trending coin, that is a coin that is catching fire. You can see that is a coin that is catching fire. Okay, so these are some of those things you need to know and you also need to do so that you can be making a consistent profit trading your cryptocurrency coin. Okay, so at the description section of this very video, you can find a lot of others video that you can watch, and it will add value to your trading knowledge. So if you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning of this very video to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.